enjoy that swim right at the end.
Slippery. No, okay. So cold.
That's usually what I say.
This is really
Come on, everyone, to the waterfall before I freeze.
Let's go. In you go, just do it. Rip off the band-aid.
I feel like I'm in Victoria.
Woo!
It's a little bit cold. It's a little fresh.
Come on.
Don't you dare pull me back in.
Give me a hand.
It's freezing though.
Oh, this water coming out to it.
No, it ain't.
And
the venomous.
coral nest death.
Dream. I knew it'd be a snake.
So did I.
Because it had to happen to you, didn't it? What's wrong? You're wetting yourself.
No, she's just gets the adrenaline.
More fan.
As soon as we heard the scream, Mum and I just went, snake.
It gets heart rate up in the morning. It's a monster, isn't it?
I'm so glad you saw that.
Would you have walked into that leash?
Yeah.
Oh,
My
Or
head would have hit it.
yeah. Jarvis will hit it.
Tell him.
Oh, it's on this side. I thought it was on the other side.
Yeah, this side. You come and have a look how he's Richmond.
He is. He's yellow and black.
No
on. Look at his
wonder.
back.
I don't like it.
Are you coming, Steph?
Yeah, she's not as freaked out. And I just keep walking into the
Don't.
so I'm not enjoying it.
Oh my god.
It's like no one actually came this far this morning.
this is the break that started all the drama. This. Not meant to do that. Yeah, after finishing all the jobs in Mackay for 2 weeks, finally left at lunchtime. Had an easy drive to Bowen, and yeah, just having a look around. Oh, yeah, this is nice.
That's why you need proper shoes on this stuff.
Yeah, looks like the bridge is gone.
Yeah, look at all the
Shit.
flatboard.
This morning we left Bowen, and instead of going up the highway to Townsville, gone inland to Collinsville and taken Mount Wyatt Road out to the Burdekin Dam and then on to Ravenswood. Look at it down there.
Lake Argyle, you can drive over.
Oh, we're going to go down there. Any nasties in there? It's too murky, isn't it?
God, I don't like how high up we are. We're a long way up, aren't we?
You're okay. It's a great looking pub.
Hey babe, I'm making a night one.
Here it is, the old hospital. Oh wow, my left hand. That's where we stayed last night. It's really nice. Yeah, it's covered one. How many people lived here, Rose?
21.
Mum, Dad.
10 daughters and 9 sons.
Cool looking little shack though, isn't it?